What's up, guys? Back here at RC Madness. There's some races going on today for this Saturday trophy race, and unfortunately my daughter got sick last night with like what we think is food poisoning, so I was up many hours of the night. I was gonna try the race, but I didn't make it. So I now have 3 fully charged 4S batteries, 2 of which are the CNHL high voltage LiPos charged to 4.35. So I need to use those. I don't want to let them sit. So what better way than to use these 2 red, white, and blue trucks, and I'll put them both on these 4S batteries. This is the Typhon TLR here. It's a 6S capable truck, but it can run just fine on these 4S packs. And of course over here we've got the Mojave 4S. Great little truck, very tough. Both of them actually are very tough. Should be good. I'm gonna get some cool action shots with this, guys, today. So let's do it. Before we get into the action though, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what goes on behind the scenes here. This is the computer that I use to edit all of the footage. As you can see, it's a lot of work. This is a ton of work. This takes so long, guys, but it pays off in the end. So that's why I really appreciate all the comments, likes, subscribes, and all that. Kind of show me that people are liking this. I do like what I'm doing, but it is certainly time consuming. This next section is going to be a little montage of video clips with music. Some people don't really like that, and it seems like some people do. So just giving you a heads up, this will be maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and it's going to kind of highlight the editing part of the video making. I like doing that from time to time, doing slow-mo and messing with the different settings and syncing it to music. So cameras I'm going to be using are the DJI Action 5 Pro, which I have right here, as well as my GoPro Hero 11. Those 2 cameras work pretty well. That poor GoPro though gets hit just about every video. This one's no exception. Enjoy, get your popcorn, check out this 4 or 5 minute montage, and then back to the typical bashing. Start with the Mojave 4S. Yeah, right, yeah. Oh. Crap. That'll be a good one. Oh, there we go. Oh, didn't see that. Water. All right, we got another truck.
Slash 6S.
Looks like the Max Slash over there. I got 2 red, white, and blue cars. I figured it'd be pretty cool looking. I know.
I got new tires, so I'm hoping that'll help.
Oh, good. It sucks that you have such a long time to wait before the next one.
Oh my God, an hour every time. That's why everyone drives different cars. It fills up the time.
Oh, yeah, yeah. What is that? Something's rubbing. Oh, yeah, it's like popped in. Oh, there. That's what it is. It keeps this body like it's hooked under this. I got to find a way to just stop that. Every time if I land hard, it like gets hooked under. Cut it or something.
Your 4S racing battery in there?
Yeah. In both of them, yeah. I actually have another one. I've charged 3 batteries. I was like, oh my God, this sucks.
Yeah, mine, my red line charge.
Oh.
I used that this morning on my old truck. I tried.
God. I keep hitting the camera. Ah, this poor camera. There's that problem again. Cool truck. Whoa, that was cool. Yeah, that was 2 wheels. The Mini XRT, that thing's cool. That's the Mini XRT, right? Yeah, that's neat. Very nice. The Typhon, much more nimble. Just such a nimble little. Oh, right over the camera. No! Actually, not too bad. Just the top of it. Oh, almost again. Oop, sorry. That was my bad. My bad. Don't want to do that here. Yeah, this thing just smoothly lands on this double. I love that. It's like the perfect jump for it. Oh. Oh. Good thing for this bumper. So guys, even on 4S, these things were animals. I like both of these trucks. I think what I need to do with the Mojave next is find a way to mount actually the body a little better to that underside clip. Yeah, just this lip here pops out of this position and hooks on. So it's kind of a pain. Yeah, good little trucks. Gotta love it. And I hope you guys like that editing and that slow-mo. You can always show your support in the channel by liking it, by of course subscribing. And if the video was out in the last week, you can hit a hype button that helps it out. And I'll put an affiliate link as usual in my description of the video for both of these trucks in case you want to buy them. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks.